Hi, today we will be discussing speed and velocity. Speed is the rate of change of distance. The formula for speed is total distance traveled by total time taken. Let's understand this in simple terms. Speed is how fast something is moving. If there is a fast moving object, it has a high speed, which means it can travel larger distance in shorter amount of time. If there is a slow moving object, it has a low speed. It can travel shorter distance in larger amount of time. Suppose you are driving a car and the speedometer of the car reads 60 kph. It means you can go 60 kilometers in 1 hour if you keep going at that speed. Now, speed does not have any direction, therefore it's a scalar quantity. SI unit of speed is meters per second. For example, let's say I'm running at a speed of 10 meters per second. So this 10 meters per second is my speed. Velocity is the rate of change of displacement. Formula is change in position by total time taken. It's almost the same as speed, but it also includes in which direction or in which way you are going. So velocity is the rate at which an object changes its position. This change is important. For example, a girl is jumping. Although she must be tired doing this activity, let's say for an hour, but her velocity is still zero because there is no change in position. Since velocity includes a direction, therefore velocity is a vector quantity. The direction of the velocity vector is the direction in which the object is moving. And the SI unit of velocity is meters per second. For example, there is an airplane which is heading towards northeast with a speed of 370 miles per hour. Its velocity will be 370 miles per hour northeast. Let's understand this through a problem. Andrews walks 7 kilometers east in 2 hours and then 2.5 kilometers west in 1 hour. Find his average speed for the whole journey and average velocity for the whole journey. First, let's draw a rough diagram. Let's say here Andrew is standing. This is initial position. He walks 7 kilometers east. This is 7 kilometers in 2 hours. From here we walks 2.5 kilometers west. In 1 hour. Now the average speed formula is total distance by total time. The total distance traveled by him is 7 kilometers plus 2.5 kilometers and the total time is 2 hours plus 1 hour. So it's 9.5 by 3, which is 3.17 kilometers per hour. What about the average velocity? The formula is change in position by total time. Let's see the change in position through diagram. This is the final position of Andrews. Change in position between final and initial is this gap, which is 7 minus 2.5 kilometers. Total time 2 plus 1 hour. 4.5 kilometers by 3 hours, which is 1.5 kilometers per hour, and this final location is heading towards west. Let's summarize what we have learned today. Speed, it's the rate of change of the distance. It's a scalar quantity. SI units, meters per second. Velocity, rate of change of displacement. It's a vector quantity. SI unit is same as speed, meters per second. That's all for today. If you have any queries or you need help, please comment below. Thank you.